This video will cover question 40 of the Specimen Section 1 PBSAA paper. Please note that the solution will be the same as the equivalent enter Specimen Section 1 question 57. In question 57 we're given 4 statements and we're asked which of them describes the role of natural selection. So let's have a look at our 4 statements. Competition occurs between individuals of the same species. Well, we should know that this is a component of natural selection. This is termed intraspecific competition. For instance, 2 plants of the same species growing next to each other in a wood might compete with each other for light, and that would be intraspecific competition. Moving on to 2, competition occurs between individuals of different species. Well, we know that this can also occur, and this is interspecific competition. For example, 2 predators competing for the same prey, and that which is more adaptable to apprehending their prey, they would likely outcompete the other species. Moving on to 3, selection can lead to evolution. Well, let's model my 4 circular organisms here, each with a different coloured circle in them, and let's apply selection pressure that selects for red circles. The next generation will compose mostly of red circles, since the red circles in the face of this selection pressure confers an advantage. Therefore, the allele, or the gene variant coding for red circles, increases in the population in the next generation. So yes, the genetic composition can change between generations because of selection. And that's what we call evolution. Moving on to 4, selection can lead to extinction. Well, we can say this is also true by the same token. For instance, if the selection pressure were to persist, eventually it may be the circumstance that green or orange alleles may eventually be removed from the population altogether, and that's termed extinction. So we have our answer that 3 and 4 are correct, or rather that all 4 are correct, and therefore our answer is F.